Hi, I'm Frank with Easyflex, and in today's video, I'm going to show you tips on how to install an Easyflex flexible sprinkler connection on a suspended ceiling. We understand each job comes with various conditions and requirements, and Easyflex offers solutions for what your job calls for. Okay, let's get started. I hope I was able to show you some tips on how to install an Easyflex flexible sprinkler connection on a suspended ceiling. Please refer to the links below and Easyflex installation instructions for further details. If you still have questions, give us a call. We'll be more than happy to help. For more Easyflex videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.